We got the lemon pepper. We got the OG fried. And then we got the barbecue on the end over there. Y'all see what's going on? What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy AC Vicious. And as y'all can see, I'm fried. I just met up with my dog, Chef Polo.
What's the deal?
And y'all already know what time it is. Your boy just touched down with that tray. My dog Chef Polo hooked this thing up. I got me a tray with some chicken wings, fries, and a little mini burrito on the side. Let's see what it's hitting on. Gotta hit them fries while they fresh. Seasoned up real well. Nice and crispy. First things first. Let's see what these is hitting on. Nice crisp. Great flavor. Cooked real well. Things hitting. That first one was the lemon pepper. It's the OG fried. Last but not least, we got that barbecue. Let's see what they hitting on. Crispy, but coated in that nice sweet barbecue sauce. This is probably my favorite out the bunch. They all good, but this is my favorite. Everything solid, 10 out of 10. Will recommend, will try again. My dog Chef Polo don't miss. Y'all make sure y'all tap in with him at the Love Shack and let him know AC Vicious sent you. Y'all stay up, stay blessed. I'm out this thing.